Welcome, today in front of me TCL T05 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and just to change your device ringtone you should swipe this dial to the left or to the right side with your finger. Just hold and drag it by this way. Also we can just make it by the second way. First press up or down volume button, then you will see here the settings icon. By click here you will open the same sound settings and you can do it just by the same way. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.